Hello, I'm Florime Munoz, your dedicated executive virtual assistant. I graduated from Surge Business Consultancy Masterclass Virtual Assistant MBA program in July 2024, and I bring extensive experience from my tenure as a marketing manager and sales agent at Hanox Realty and Services from 2018 to 2024. Additionally, I manage social media page for Rent in Pasig City from 2016 to 2018. I also actively participated in the Masterclass Virtual Assistant Program and Apprenticeship and gaining invaluable insight through both face-to-face and online learning sessions. And I'm proud to have received the Gold Certificate and also Best in Attendance. My expertise and encompasses a variety of essential services. Number one is email management. I handle organizing inboxes, responding to emails, and filtering spam efficiently. And also in calendar management, I excel in scheduling appointments, setting reminders, and coordinating meetings seamlessly. I also handle project management, and for that, I plan and execute project, track progress, and ensure deadlines are met with precision. In my social media management, I create engaging content, interact with followers, and run effectively ad campaigns so that we can have more sales. And I utilize a range of tools to deliver services including Asana, Trello, CapCut, Canva, Google Workspace, various social media platforms, Wix, and QuickBooks. You can connect me at LinkedIn account Florime Munoz.